89% of girls in Ireland have worries and anxiety.
Yeah, we know. It's tough being a girl. No That's annoying. Anyway, let me introduce myself. I'm just a girl. Well, that's what they say anyway. Blah, blah, blah. But I'm more than just a girl. I know it. You know it. I'm whatever I want to be. But don't get me wrong, it can be tough being a girl these days. You're told to just try your best or just show up, but you're always up against it. It's exhausting. I'm wrecked. It can seem like just when you think things are going well, there's always something there to trip you up. Whoop.
It's like someone else makes up the rules and we have to play the game. I didn't sign up for that. I don't even like these things. It's really frustrating because most of the time, it feels like no one is even listening. Sometimes it feels like no one is even listening. That's before we even mention these things. Now, how can something so small have such a big impact on your mood, your body, your feelings? It's mad.
Is it just me, or is everyone anxious these days? And on top of everything else, we have to deal with periods. Periods! Finally, we're getting somewhere now. So, we're agreed. Life can be tough. We go through so many different things every single day. There is one thing that I'm sure about, and it's that there's always someone there who has my back.